Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to set smart driving automatically turn on when connected to Bluetooth car kit and OPPO A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to setting in your OPPO A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart and convenient. Okay, click smart and convenient. And okay guys, here in smart and convenient, okay, you can see the smart driving. Okay, click smart driving. And okay guys, here in smart driving, okay, you can see the automatically turn on when connected to Bluetooth car kit. And okay guys, on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on, you'll have to do is switch the switch button. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the smart driving automatically turn on when connected to Bluetooth car kit. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.